Hello viewers, this is Simil. Today we are going to look at how to check for learners who failed to upload when using Excel datasheet. So this option was enabled for those who can upload data using bulk options. Like using the Excel sheet, you fill the information in the Excel sheet and then you upload. Plus the photos, you upload them in bulk. Sometimes the learners you upload, they are not successfully registered because of some information that was provided which was wrong, or you left out some of the important options in the Excel sheet, which resulted into the learners not being registered. So today we are going to look at how to check for those learners, and then you go ahead to correct the errors using single learners upload. So let's go to our browser, open our browser, and you type in WebMS. You type in MS and you click the MS link, website link. Click on MS login. So after clicking MS login, you come here and type in the email account of your school. So here I have this account of which one of the colleagues had uploaded using the Excel sheet, and most of the learners were not registered. They are not reflected on the dashboard simply because the Excel sheet had some errors. So we are going to log into it and you see what were the problems that were encountered while filling in the Excel sheet. So you have to sign in. After signing in, the option you have to go to is MS data upload. So we have this arrow here. You click on the arrow to give you more options. Then you click on upload data upload status. Data upload status. So when you click on data upload status, it will bring this page which shows file upload status. This one shows you the learners that you try to upload, all the Excel sheets you try to upload, and most of the learners were rejected simply because some of the information was missing. So here we have the Excel sheets that were uploaded. As you can see, the person tried many times. Then you have type, learners, the successful learners here, and the failed learners plus the total. When you upload this Excel sheet, the information you provide, if it is correct, all the learners will be given the links, they will be fully registered. But if the learners have issues, then it will be in pending. In pending, that means the information is not correct. Most of the information is not correct of certain learners. So you have to just re-enter the information afresh. So here we can go ahead and view. So you can see this sheet contained 377. The failed were 246 and the successful were 131. So you click on view details to see more of that, how it happened. The learners were not successfully registered. So we have, out of the 377, we have the 263 who were not successfully registered. So we have 0 like that. So we just go back to view, file upload. On this same page, you click on this option here, this file. So when you click on the file, it will automatically download onto your computer. So you just click on this file to download. When you click on it, you have to wait down here. As you can see, it is here downloading. Click on the file, it downloads here. So I'm going to open this file and confirm to check the learners that were not successfully registered, what happened. So you click on it to open. Click on it to open. You have to be patient. have to be patient because of the information which is inside. It's too heavy. So when you open your Excel sheet, you can check and see most of the fields or the columns that were supposed to be filled in. Most of them were not filled in. So we have these major fields here, these ones here. Okay? So when you open, you click on enable this enable editing. So when you click on enable editing, you'll be able to be redirected to the original sheet, of which you can go ahead and you edit. So here we have the learners who were successfully registered and those who are not successfully registered. So where we shall go column by column. We have this column where you see the column which is painted with the orange color. That means those columns, they have issues. They have issues somewhere. The names are correct, but when you check in other columns, surname, first name, other names, gender, day, month, year, when you scroll across here, you'll find that we have more columns this side. So we have these columns here. So let's go one by one. Let's go with this person, this one here, Luanga Elijah. Why is Luanga Elijah not registered? So we move ahead, we follow Luanga. When you go to Luanga, we move across, you find that the names are correct, the date of birth is correct, the class is correct, the index number is correct, but the type of orphan, they did not fill this part. This part you're supposed to just click and edit. Just click on the option, the drop down arrow to give you more options and you select. You can see they did not fill that part. So we go ahead. We come here, parents relationship. They did not fill this part. So there's some options that you're supposed to select from the available options. So you click on the drop down arrow and it will give you the option. You don't type. So you can see they did not fill that section. When you go ahead, I think that's all. The parents' name, parents' relationship were not filled in. The parents' name was correct. The telephone number was correct. By relationship was not filled in. The type of orphan was not filled in. So those are the two things the fields that were important and they not filled. That's why this person is flagged with this color, not registered. So where you see colors, where you see fields or cells being highlighted with colors, that means there is a problem with that cell. You have not filled in. You can see the whole of this column, this person did not take time to select the right option, but others he tried. Maybe he was rushing and so on, so he did not capture all the information correctly. When we look at these ones which don't have colors, like this person of Luanga Godfrey, we go ahead and check him. The gender is correct, the date, the month, the year, the class, the index number is correct, and the exam year is correct. Does learner have name? No. So this column was filled in, or this record was filled in correctly, although he forgot some parts, but most of the major parts were filled in correctly. That's why it's not flagged with any color or filled in with any cell or any cell color. So this person was registered and I think he has filled in automatically. So some of the fields were not filled in, but the major ones were filled in. That's why it's not flagged. So where you see colors, that means there are errors with those students. So go ahead and filter all these students who are having colors and you confirm with them, or you re-register them using the single upload on the MSWOP portal. then they will be given the learner's identification number. So this is how you check whether the learners you uploaded were successfully registered or they failed to be registered when you use this Excel sheet. So try as much as you can to go through the system and get only the learners who failed to register, to avoid repeating everything. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.